Now that I've got my pool of numbers and the code flow assigned to my numbers, the final step is to click on the tracking code and set the rules on which the script would run on your website and make the dynamic number swapping. So in the first tab, you'll notice the number swapping has a swap type, if it's a phone number or if it's a span tag. Typically, you would go with phone number, and for phone number, you just need the swap target. So which phone number should the script replace on your website? So you would go on your website and you would search how the phone number is presented and just simply copy and paste this as is with the same formatting um, on your website. So it's parenthesis 232 parenthesis space 342 dash 5546. If your number displays in multiple formats, you could also add this 232 342 5546 and keep adding the different formats that your website displays numbers. If your website has more than one number displayed, right? So you can have multiple destinations, or you can have a toll-free number and a local number. This is where you would set up a swap target, an additional swap target here, where the first number would be swapped with the two tracking numbers you selected, and the second swap target would be swapped with the two additional tracking numbers that you would acquire. This is where swap groups come into place. If your site is an SPA, single page site, flip the switch to on, and then head over to attribution. In the attribution, you have the option to select either first click or last click. In the storage, you have the option to select how many days you want your cookie to last. And there are more advanced options in case you want to redact some text along with once the script runs, if you want to exclude some pages from running the script, and so forth. But once you're all set, click on save and you're good to go. Now in the next video, we're going to show how you can actually install this line of code through Tag Manager. But just to test that everything works, I'm going to use the WordPress integration we have in place. So I'm going to go to Nimbata, and then let's check. Let's go to settings quickly, and we should find here the Nimbata plugin. Paste the green code here and click on Save Changes. And then once the changes are saved, you can clear the cache. And then let's check if you can open a new incognito tab, right? And check if the number swaps. Let's go with, you can see that the number swapped with one of my tracking numbers, right? So this is a way to quickly test it. If you want to test and emulate a visit from Google Ads, question mark gclid equals test. This will emulate a visit like it's coming from Google Ads, run, and then check if the number is being swapped correctly. Now in the next video, we're going to show you how to do this with Tag Manager, not WordPress.